Hey guys, so I am on the Norwegian Breakaway and we are sailing on a 7-night cruise to New England and Canada. And I just thought I would share with you my outfits of the day, what I wore while I was out at port, and tell you the average temperatures that were there, and then also what I wore for the dining room. So this is on the Norwegian, and I've noticed on previous Norwegian ships that I have been on that's a little bit more casual than Princess that I've been on as well. And I've noticed on previous ones, like I just took an Alaska cruise on the Norwegian Bliss back in June, and I noticed it is very casual. The Alaska itinerary is very casual. I was overpacked for that one because I would wear something for the shore excursions and something for at dinner, and it seemed like everybody was just wearing the same thing day and night. So I am going to be changing into some different outfits for dinner. That's just what I like to do sometimes, but sometimes I will also go to the dining room on this one in what I've worn out at shore. So let's go ahead and get started with this video on what I wore while I was on the Norwegian Breakaway in New England and Canada on this 7-night cruise. So this is actually a travel day. We usually don't fly in on the same day that we are cruising, but this time we are. So this is my airplane outfit and embarkation day outfit. So hopefully our luggage will come before dinner so I can change for dinner tonight, but I like to be super comfortable for the flight out. And like I said, it's very unusual for us to fly out on the same day that we sail out. What I have worn for my airplane ride and the embarkation outfit is this Barefoot Dreams cardigan. It is a little bit of a longer cardigan in this pale lilac color. It does have some top pockets on here. Really nice and cozy. I like to always have a cardigan when I'm on the plane because you never know if in the airport it's going to be really cool and hot on the plane. So I do like to layer when I'm traveling by plane. And then I just have this white Barefoot Dreams Malibu collection t-shirt underneath this. Super comfortable and cozy. Finished the look off with these joggers. They are from Wit and Wisdom. I did pick these up from Nordstrom, but they're really comfortable and they're in this navy color, but they have this velvet velour feel on the side, this little stripe down the side, which makes it a very unique kind of jogger. So they're a little bit more elevated and more dressy than just a regular cotton blend jogger. And then I finished the look off with these Skechers in this navy color. Easy to get it on and off through TSA and just real comfortable to walk if you're walking around the airport so much, and then to walk to the terminal and around the cruise terminal and on the ship. So I wanted to make sure I had some comfortable shoes and was really comfortable on the plane ride. So this is the travel day embarkation outfit that I chose for this cruise. So today is day 2. We're in Newport, Rhode Island, and the temperature is supposed to be in the 60s. So it's supposed to be a really nice day. And then we have a plan to go to the mansion, the breakers, and also do the cliff walks. So definitely want to be casual, have some really good walking shoes. Along with that, I wanted to make sure that I was prepared for the weather as well. So I just have this pullover kind of sweatshirt material. So it does have buttons if you want to button it right here, and it has these really nice kangaroo pockets. This again came from Walmart and it's super affordable. It's from the free assembly line. Nice and warm, so I thought I would just wear some kind of sweatshirt because it is going to be a little bit cooler this morning than during the day. And then I paired it with some more Wit and Wisdom jeans. These are in a lighter wash. And then I have my black Adidas shoes on for today because there's going to be a lot of walking. So this is the outfit today in Newport, Rhode Island. So I absolutely love this top, so I wanted to wear it tonight for dinner. It has this little bit of ruffle on the sleeve, this V-neck with a little bit of crochet detail on it. It's kind of a lower V-neck, and it's in this really bright pink color. Love it. I got this from Nordstrom. It's from the CC line, and then I just paired it with these black pants. I love these pants. These are so comfortable. These are a great work pant, dress pant, and I got these from White House Black Market. They're a curvy ankle fit pant. They are super comfortable. I love these, you guys. And then I paired it with my black loafers that I'm wearing for dinner for most of the nights, and I just thought that this was the look I was going for tonight. Just lightly dressy with a more casual vibe tonight. So this is day 3 of the cruise, and we are in Portland, Maine today. The temperature is low 60s, upper 50s. So today I have on this Time and True, kind of like a sweater knit mixed material sweatshirt. It has a hood on it. It is a little bit of a low V, so I do have a tank top underneath it. So I just have a black V-neck tank under this. This is really going to be nice and warm for the weather today. And then I just have a pair of Wit and Wisdom darker wash jeans on, and then my navy Skechers because we're going to do a lot of walking, so I wanted to make sure I had a good pair of walking shoes today. I don't feel like I'm going to need any kind of outerwear, so I did not put any of my jackets on because this is really nice and warm. Plus I have the double layer with the V-neck tank underneath it. So this is the outfit for today in Portland, Maine, when the temperature is upper 50s, lower 60s today. Today is day 4 and we're in Bar Harbor, and the temperature is supposed to be in the 50s. So I brought along my jacket just in case. But what I'm wearing today is this Henley top. It's from Walmart. It's from the free assembly line. It's in this brown color, great neutral. And then I paired it with these Wit and Wisdom jeans. These are in a medium wash, and then I have paired them with some black Adidas shoes. Basically, I brought 2 pairs of sneakers to wear while we're out at port because I know I'm going to be walking and I want to be comfortable. So they have been changing out between the black Adidas and the navy Skechers. So I thought I would bring 2 neutral colors to wear and switch out between the ports. So that's mainly what you're going to be seeing on my daytime casual outfits for the ports. So here is that just really nice jacket that's just really warm and cozy and comfortable, and I think it's just really fashionable and flattering. And because it's a neutral color and I have more neutral palette on this cruise, then I think everything just kind of goes together. So this is the jacket and the outfit for today at Bar Harbor. So we didn't do the specialty dining packages. We were just doing the complimentary dining rooms. So that's between the Manhattan room, Savor, and Taste. So tonight we're just going to one of the complimentary dining rooms, and for dinner tonight I just decided on this tunic and these faux leather leggings. These are not the Spanx, these are a dupe, and I did a video on some dupes for the Spanx faux leather leggings, and these are such a great dupe. I absolutely love them, and I love that these have these pockets so I can just throw my key card in one side and my phone in the other side and then just go on to dinner. So this is just a V-neck, really nice and comfortable cotton fleece tunic with side slits. It's in this green color. I picked this up from QVC. It's from Denim & Company. And these faux leather leggings are from Amazon. They're dupe for the Spanx. And then I also just have them paired with these loafers. So basically for this trip, I brought 2 pair of sneakers to wear for when we're off in the ports. And then I just have these loafers, these black loafers, because they're really neutral. And I could wear them to dinner with all of my looks. So these are the black loafers, also from Amazon. And this is what I'm wearing to dinner tonight. Today is day 5. We are in St. John, New Brunswick, and it's supposed to be around 54 to 57 degrees today. So I do have this 3/4 sleeve hoodie on. It's kind of like a tunic style hoodie. You can see it's a thinner hood, and it's in this black color, just a really neutral casual outfit today. It's from Kim Gravel, so I did pick this up off of QVC. It's just so roomy and comfortable. And then I did pair it with these Kim Gravel jeans as well. I do have them rolled up with a pair of navy Skechers sneakers today. But because I think the temperatures are going to range from the time that we actually get off the ship to the time that we're going to get on, I did want to show you the jacket that I'll be wearing today as well. So this is the jacket I'll be wearing today. I love the color of this. It's a really pretty like purple brown color, but this is so comfortable, and it's also very flattering too. If you can see the back of this, you can see this stitching detail. It just draws the eye in. It's really nice and flattering and very warm. So you can kind of see how these seams go in. It draws the eye in to make the waist appear a little bit smaller, but this is super comfortable and warm. And the pockets are fleece lined, so that makes your hands warm also. But I think this is a really cute jacket. It's not a really big puffer. It's not going to add that weight to you. It's really nice and flattering. And this has been a jacket I've worn almost every day up until now on the cruise, and it's been super warm and comfortable. So again, we're going to dinner in one of the complimentary dining rooms, and this is what I chose to wear for tonight. I have noticed it is a casual, laid-back atmosphere here. Not many people get dressed up for dinner, but we are going to be going to Savor tonight. They do have a dress code with men with collars, and I can't remember what else the dress code is, but they'll let anybody in because I've noticed people don't follow the dress code. They're really super casual there. Most of the people around the ship are very casual for dinner. There's just a few people that may dress up. I used to dress up so much, and I know Princess is really formal, but I've noticed Norwegian is a little bit more laid back. So for tonight, for dinner, I just have this all head to toe Amazon outfit. So this is like a fleece tunic, Has some really great pockets here, so you can just throw your key card in there if you want to. It's really nice. I love the red color. Super warm and comfortable. I just wanted to be comfortable tonight. And then I have those faux leather leggings on that I showed you that I wore to dinner on another night. So these are just these faux leather leggings from Amazon. And then I have those same loafers from Amazon as well. So head to toe, I am Amazon today. And this is just a real comfortable, semi-dressy way to go to dinner tonight. Today is day 6 and we are in Halifax today. The temperature is in the 50s, so I have this cardigan on. It's in this really neutral beige color and it's from Time and Troops from Walmart. Super affordable. It's got these cute little slits and these top pockets, and then I have just paired it over this long sleeve Caslon top. I did pick this up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It's in this rust color, so I thought these were really great fall colors together. And then I just finished the look off with these Wit and Wisdom jeans in a darker wash, and then my navy Skechers, because we're going to do a lot of walking. We have rented a car, but we are going to be doing some walking at some of the places we'll be stopping, so I definitely wanted to make sure I had some comfortable shoes. So of course my Skechers are my go-to for comfort. So this is the outfit for today in Halifax, and the temperature is in the 50s today. So it's day 7. This is our last day, and we're at sea all day long coming from Halifax down to New York, and the temperature is around the low 50s. So what I've decided to wear today, just out and about on the ship, is this blazer from Nick & Zoe. It's a really cute blazer. It's a knit style, and it has this little peplum. You can button it if you want to. I've just been leaving it open. It's in this navy color, and I wanted to pair it with this really pale pink. I think pink, like a blush pink and navy, looks so pretty together. So I've just kind of been wearing this with this crew neck tee. It's just a really nice Barefoot Dreams tee. It's their Malibu collection, so it's really nice and soft. And because the weather's been a little bit cool today, I've just been putting this blazer over top of it. I love this knit blazer. It's so comfortable and it's so cute. And then I have a pair of crop flare Wit and Wisdom jeans on. They're a little bit of a lighter wash. And then I finished the look off with these loafers. They're super comfortable. They are from Amazon, and they are just so cushiony. So I have this outfit today for our day at sea, and I'll probably just continue to wear this one for dinner tonight. All right guys, that's going to complete my video on what I wore to the Canada and New England cruise. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So I hope this gave some inspiration for some outfit ideas for if you decide to take this itinerary. This was great. I loved all of the places that we went. So I hope you did enjoy this video and got some inspiration from this on some styling ideas for dinner and these short excursions.